Traveling with your furry companions on Lufthansa flights is a breeze. Before you book, here are travel tricks for flying with your pets. Smaller dogs and cats, up to 8 kilograms including their carrying container, can travel with you in the passenger cabin. Larger dogs, cats, can travel as excess baggage in the aircraft's cargo hold. Due to availability, remember to register your pet at least 72 hours before departure, preferably alongside your own flight reservation. When traveling with a pet, you must pick up your boarding pass at the check-in counter. Please present the following documents for your pet at the check-in counter: the official and veterinary documents for your pet, such as a pet passport, 2 fully completed and signed printouts of the form transporting an animal in the passenger cabin. You will settle the costs for transporting your pet when checking in or at the ticket counter. A few days before your flight, familiarize your pet with its carrier. To keep your pet calm, you can add a comfort blanket, an old item of your clothing, or your pet's favorite toy in the transport container. Do you have any more questions? Discover all the answers in our travel briefing, your guidelines for the journey ahead. And feel free to share any travel tricks you'd like to learn about with us. We wish you a pleasant journey with Lufthansa.